About to surprise Everly with a coveted Wonka bar. Honey Bear, come here. I have something very special for you.
What is it?
Stay right there. I'll show you.
A Willy Wonka bar?
A Willy Wonka bar?
No way.
Put it down. Let's open it. Yeah. Let's show me what it is.
It's Willy Wonka bar.
Show me. Is that cool?
Where did you get it at, Dada?
Oh, a very special place.
Where is it?
Let's open it up. Wait, what do you think's inside of there?
Chocolate.
Well, yeah, but chocolate, but is there something else special in there, maybe?
Maybe a golden ticket.
What do you get if you get a golden ticket?
I get to go to Willy Wonka's candy shop.
At the chocolate factory?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's see. Open it up slow. Open it up slow. Slow, real slow. Let's see.
Oh, I see something golden.
What do you see in there?
I got the golden ticket.
You got a golden ticket? What is that golden ticket?
I got it.
You got it? What does it say?
I don't know.
What does it say? What do you get?
I don't know.
You don't know? This says, Willy Wonka's golden ticket. Greetings to you, the lucky finder of this golden ticket from Mr. Willy Wonka. Present this ticket at the factory gates at 10 o'clock in the morning of the first day of October, and do not be late. You may bring one family member with you you may bring with you one member of your family and only one, but no one else. In your wildest dreams, you could not imagine the marvelous surprises that await you. Who are you gonna bring?
You.
Yay! Thank you, honey. You got a golden ticket.
And there's chocolate in there.
Yeah, let's eat some chocolate. Tell me how it is. Take a bite. Take a bite. Is that cool? Can you tell me something about Willy Wonka's chocolate factory? What's your favorite part about it?
Drinking it.
The drinking? The fizzy lifting drinks? That make you fly up in the air like a bubble? What else do you like about the movie?
Maybe the boat that goes in the chocolate river.
The boat that goes in the chocolate river is awesome. I thought you liked the golden geese.
I like those too.
Or the geese that lay the golden eggs. Isn't that cool?